Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Sorry the video is late this week. All thanks to the blue screen, or in my case the green screen. The moment I started editing the video, my Windows Insider build crashed. I somehow managed to get the devlog this week, so here it is. This week I participated in a week-long game jam hosted by Brackeys. It was my first game jam and I had a lot of fun making my first game to be tested by you people. The game jam started on 1st of August at 3:30 PM and the theme was Rewind. As soon as the theme was released, I started thinking of an approach for the theme, but nothing came at that point. And also there was a festival of Raksha Bandhan on 3rd of August. I was little busy with the festive preparation, helping the family to get everything sorted and ready. But that took up 3 complete days. So now I was just left with 4 days. So without delaying further, I started on 4th of August. I set up the Unity project and started with the basic first person movement setup. And then I went with making the environment first. And that was the biggest mistake I made. Why? Because at the start of the project, you want everything to be detailed as it can be. And environment has endless detail to be covered. When I realized I was just left with 2 days and 6 hours to complete the jam, so I hurried up and added a gun. Initially I was using the bullet prefab to shoot the bullet, but this method lacks accuracy. So I found a tutorial by Brackeys about how to shoot using ray tracing, and it increased the accuracy a lot. After that I worked on enemy a zombie. I got the model from a site called Mixamo. On that day I completed the enemy mechanism, and now the enemy was able to patrol and attack whenever the player come in its range. Now with the enemy in place, I had only 18 hours to complete the game jam. So I worked overnight to complete the game mechanism and the UI for menu. Next morning I had an entire setup ready. The rewind mechanism was working well and only thing lacking was sound. So with 5 hours in hand, I made a sound manager and got some royalty free music and added some explosions in the game. And finally I submitted the game 30 minutes before the game jam. The game is published on itch.io. I will put up the link in the description. Make sure to play the game and give me feedback. Also to comment what all would you like to see in my next game. Till then, stay tuned. Sayonara.